These are some pretty typical sample problems that you'll come across whenever you're doing a lab and you're preparing solutions. So often you won't have liters and liters and liters of solution on hand at any given time, but you will have a small volume of highly concentrated solute available to create those solutions when you need them. So in question number 1, our standard solution of sulfuric acid is 18 molar. How much standard solution is required to make 1 liter of 0.250 molar sulfuric acid? So for question number 1 here, let's see. We've got our initial concentration is 18 molar. The initial volume, how much of it? That's what we're solving for. How much of the standard solution? Our final concentration, well, that's what we were trying to create, which was 0.250 molarity. And our final volume was 1.0 liters. Now, if we're looking, C1 V1 is equal to C2 V2, ugly. We can isolate V1. Our unknown. Our final concentration, 0.250 molar. And our final volume, 1.0 liters, divided by 18 molar, gives us 0.014 liters, or 14 milliliters. Our second question. A student measures out 4 grams of sodium hydroxide and creates 500 mils of solution. What is the concentration of the solution, and how would you dilute it to 0.0500 molarity? So we have our mass is 4.00 grams of sodium hydroxide. Our number of moles would be 0.1 moles. So for question number 8, what is the concentration? The concentration is our unknown, but our number of moles is known. It's 0.100. And our volume is 500 milliliters, which we're going to describe as 0.500 liters. So C is equal to N over V. Ta-da! 0.2 molar. Now for question B, we were asked, how would we dilute this to 0.0500 molarity? Well, we know our initial concentration is 0.200 molar. We know our initial volume is 500 mils. We know our final concentration. It said 0.0500 molar in the question. How would we dilute it to this from what we were given? Our final volume is the unknown. So C1 V1 is equal to C2 V2. So C1 V1 divided by C2 is equal to V2. Rearrange. Plug and solve. 0.200 molarity times 500 milliliters divided by 0.0500 molarity. Molarity cancels. Our V2 is equal to 2,000 milliliters. And we have 3 sig figs, so you could write that as 2.00 times 10 to the 3 milliliters. or you could write that as 2.00 liters. Now, we're not actually done this question. The question was, how would we prepare it? So we need to add a little blurb here. So we're going to add enough water to the 500 mils of 0.200 molar NaOH solution to yield 2 liters of solution.